Now on iPhone, most music apps let you play music in the background. Of course, that makes sense. You don't want to lock your phone and then your music stops playing. But with video, it's slightly different. You lock your phone and the videos stop, generally speaking. And again, that makes sense because who wants to watch a video with their screen off? Now YouTube is no different in that regard, but it's sort of a dual platform. It's loaded with concerts and music videos. So sometimes you might just want to have your music playing in the background or your audio if you're listening to a podcast. But unless you have a premium subscription, the YouTube app just won't let you do it. But there is a workaround. Now all you need to do is head to youtube.com in Safari and tap the little AA icon in the URL bar, and now select Request Desktop Site in the drop-down menu. Now search for a music video, podcast or concert you want to listen to and press play, and now close Safari. Now the music or audio will stop at this point, but if you drop down the control center, you'll notice the music playback widget has the name of the video you are watching on it. Tap play and the audio will continue from where it stopped after closing Safari. Now it's worth noting here there is something of a caveat. It won't automatically play through a playlist for you. It only plays one track or video at a time, so it's not beneficial for those of you who want to listen to long playlists. However, if you've got a long podcast episode you want to listen to on YouTube, or there's a long live concert you want to listen to that's on YouTube, it's beneficial that way. It'll let you listen to the entire thing in one go, even with your screen locked. So there you have it, a quick tip on how to keep audio in YouTube playing in the background on your iPhone. If you did like this tip, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that little bell to make sure you don't miss any more of our videos. Look out for more quick tips on Mondays or Tuesdays weekly. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media, and I'll see you again in the next one.